This is our first beta of the KetoChecker.app. It's really a beta. As you'll see, it's not perfect in its functioning, but it has a large database with pre-screened products by the free categories. So this is the overview of what the database currently contains. As you see, keto-friendly, guaranteed ketogenic, not ketogenic. We have links to more information here about what those certifications mean. Basically, guaranteed ketogenic works for everyone, and keto-friendly depends on your lifestyle factors. So you would want to test your blood or know your position before using some of those products. And of course, not ketogenic is not ketogenic. So what this enables you to do is search for products. So, if you're looking for a bar, for example, you could type in a bar and I'm just choosing a bar at random. Now here's one of the little quirks. You have to click below this shaded box here in order to get the results. Sorry about that. It's just the tech we're using. We're going to get something better. We're investing in it. So that basically shows it keto friendly. We can go and check out more details on the product owner site or whichever site we point you to, their ingredients and so on. Now, if you want to go back to, you can of course search for other things in here, like something zero calorie maple flavor syrup, and I have to click there to get that result. You see that's guaranteed ketogenic. And if I want to then see everything again, I have to click on this little tick and it's going to deselect everything, and then I click here and I can see everything again. So a little bit of apology there about it being so, we say, a bit clunky. It's our first version. That's why we are investing, and we're going to make a much better version. In the meantime, I would love your feedback. So if you do have any feedback, please click here and let me know what you think of the experience after clicking it, and basically the functionality, because we're going to be extending the functionality and basically developing this to make it something you can use to feel a lot more confident in the things you're using and really get the results you want. Thank you.